Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll be discussing on conversion of inclusive series into exclusive series. What is inclusive series? What is exclusive series of frequency distribution? All those things already discussed in the previous video. If you have not watched those videos, then it is of no use of watching this video. So it's important that you go and learn first what is inclusive series, what is exclusive series, and how to put the inclusive series into frequency distribution table and how to put the exclusive series into frequency distribution table. And later we are learning here in this video how to convert the inclusive series into exclusive series, because in the examination, for when we are calculating the mean, median and mode for the continuous data for 15 marks, the question may arise with the given inclusive series which you have to convert it into an exclusive series, later solve the problem. Okay, so it's important that you know this procedure. So let's start with understanding this question here. The question says the marks obtained by students in a test are given below in an inclusive series. Convert it into an exclusive series. Marks is 10, 19, 10 to 19, 20 to 29, 30 to 39, 40 to 49, 50 to 59. What are you observing here? This 19 is not repeating here, right? So 29 is not repeating here, 39 is not repeating here, 49 is not repeating here. Means upper limit is not repeating in the lower limit. That means this is an inclusive series numbers. Now we need to convert it into an exclusive series. For that, first we have to write it like question number 1. I will take the other pen. Question number 1, solution. In the examination, you have to specify the conversion of inclusive series into exclusive series if they ask you in the 5 marks. So here, first find the gap. What is the gap here? 19 to 20. What is the gap? The gap of one number, correct? Gap of one number. 19 to 20 have a gap of one number. 29 to 30 have a gap of one number. 39 to 40 has a gap of one number. 49 to 50 has a gap of one number. The difference between the lower limit of second series or observation minus upper limit of first observation or values. So here, what is the lower limit of second observation? That is 20 minus first is 19. That is 20 minus 19 is 1, right? This is how we got this gap number 1. Just to make you understand, I have written it here. There is no need of writing it. If you use your common sense and identify that the gap is one number, that is enough. Now here you need to find the correction number. Correction number is like the numerator is one number which is based on the gap, okay, divided by 2. 2 here is because we have taken two numbers, right? 19 and 20. That's why 2. We usually take two numbers only. Denominator usually it remains 2. Okay. So 1, it may change also. Sometimes it may change also. So 1 divided by 2 is 0.5. 0.5. When we want to correct this, convert this into inclusive to exclusive, we need to take, okay, we need to correct lower limit by doing minus 0.5 and upper limit, correct classes, okay, upper limit by adding 0.5. Then the correction will automatically happen. Let's see here. This is a exclusive series frequency distribution table. This is marks. Marks are your classes, right? Class. Next, here number of students. Number of students is your frequency, right? Frequency. Okay. So now for 10 is, you know that these are lower limit, LL I will write. These are upper limit, correct? All the left side numbers, lower limit numbers, we have to deduct minus 0.5. Minus means deduct it. 10 minus 0.5, that means 9.5, correct? Okay, hyphen. 20 minus 0.5 minus means 19.5. Okay. 30 minus 0.5, that is 29.5. 40 minus 0.5, that is 39.5. Next, 50 minus 0.5 means 49.5, correct? So we got left side marks, lower limit for exclusive series, right? This is for exclusive series. Exclusive series. Now we have to find upper limit for exclusive series. 19 plus 5, 19.5. 29.5, 39.5, 49.5, 59.5, and the frequency will be the same: 5, 8, 12, 7, 3. Okay, so this is how we have to put this, convert this inclusive series in exclusive series by correcting the limit, lower limit and upper limit by minus 0.5 and plus 0.5. Minus means deduct, add, plus means add. Okay, I will solve one more question here, the question number 2, then you will understand the problem well. Next, the question number 2 here. Okay, this is question number 2. Oh, I think I have repeated the same questions 2 times instead of taking it. We'll frame the question by ourselves. Or now I have added the question number 2. Oh, here the following table shows the ages of employees in a company. The distribution is given in an inclusive class interval. Convert it into an exclusive series. Ages is given here. Age, that is observation in the inclusive series. Number of employees, the frequency is also given here. You can see the 20 to 29, 30 to 39, 40 to 49, 50 to 59, 60 to 69. Here 29 is not repeating, 39 is not repeating, 49 is not repeating, 59 is not repeating. If it is not repeating, it means it is an inclusive series. Now let's solve it. Solution. Question number 2. Question number 2. So first we need to find what? Gap, right? Gap between 29 to 30 is 1, and correction factor here is correction number 1 divided by 2. 1 divided by 2, that is 0.5 again. 0.5. Most of the time it will be 0.5 only, but it doesn't mean that always it is 0.5. Sometimes it may change also. It depends on the series which is given here. If there is a difference of 2 here, then 2 divided by 2. If there is a difference of 3 here, then 3 divided by 2. 2 denominator is fixed, but the numerator will keep changing. What is numerator? This one is numerator. This one, the below number is the denominator. The above number is the numerator. Okay. Numerator may change. Denominator will remain the same. Next here, classes. Again, for lower limit, it is minus 0.5. For upper limit, it is plus 0.5. So now using this plus and minus, let's write the frequency distribution table here only. Age in exclusive series. Exclusive, number of employees, number of employees. So now 20, left side, all the lower limits we need to deduct, all the upper limits we need to add. Okay, frequency will remain the same. This is frequency. Okay, this is classes. So 20 minus 0.5 is 19.5. 30 minus 0.5 is 29.5. 14 minus 0.5 is 39.5. 50 minus 0.5 is 49.5. 60 minus 0.5 is 59.5. So till here we know that. Next, right side, 29 plus here 29.5, because upper limit we need to add. Next, 39.5, 49.5, 59.5, 69.5. The number of employees will be the same, 6, 11, 9, 4, 2. Okay, here what are you observing? Now the upper limit of the first class is same as the lower limit of the second class. Same here, 29.5 is same, 39.5 is same, 49.5 is same, 59.5 is same. Whereas in the inclusive series it was different, right? So this is why we call this as an inclusive series and this is exclusive series, because this, when we are putting something into a frequency distribution table, we exclude the upper limit and we include the lower limit, which you have learned it in the problems. Okay, so I hope that you have learned how to convert the inclusive series into exclusive series. Thank you very much for your time, and all the best for your examination. Share the videos with your friends of other colleges also. Help me increase the subscription, like and share my videos. Thank you so much.